friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious stir-fry bak choy with fermented bean curd recipe. Hope you like it. The crispy bak choy is delicious when fried with slightly spicy taste. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Stir-fry bak choy with fermented bean curd. Ingredients: bak choy, chilies, ginger, fermented bean curd. Chopped chilies. Chopped ginger. Bak choy, remove stem, wash and set aside. Stir-fry chopped ginger and chilies. Add chopped garlic. Add bak choy. Add fermented bean curd. Stir-fry evenly. Plate bak choy. Bak choy is delicious. Give it a try too. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hurry up and save the recipe and click to follow my channel, because you will receive my simple recipe videos uploaded for free every day. If you are willing, please give me a like and give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thanks for your support. I like Easyrecipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more delicious Easyrecipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thank Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.